My name is Natalia Jarząbek. I'm from Poland, Krakow, and I'm the principal flutist of the Krakow Philharmonic and also a teacher at the Academy of Music in Katowice. It's a special festival for me because I'm the first time as a Miyazawa artist on the festival like this size, and it's amazing to meet all Miyazawa artists here in one place and just to play with them a beautiful concert, meet the board from Miyazawa, and also working with a lot of people from Germany and abroad, not only professional players but also like half professionals. It gives me the motivation to work with people, to work like for myself and to improve this teaching way and showing how beautiful the flute sound is, especially the Miyazawa flute sound. I think that's exactly the flute for me because it connects the open sound projection with some sweet, beautiful color, which makes the whole combination exactly what I need as an orchestra musician, as a soloist and as a chamber music player. So for me, just the flute is the perfect match, and also the design and everything like from the technical stuff works perfectly, and I'm really happy with my flute. I think it's definitely a good choice because the brand offers all versions of flutes for beginners, through middle players, up to students and professionals. So you can really find the flute for yourself. They are different head joint shapes, the lip plate shapes. And also I think the price is really possible to buy for somebody who maybe is not a professional yet but wants a good quality instrument. Also I think the intonation is really well balanced, the technical stuff is really good working, so I don't need many repairs during the season or something like that. So I think everybody will be happy with the Miyazawa.